Okay, now we'll say about the conditional probability. You see this meaning itself, conditional probability. Probability basis on some condition. Okay, that is the conditional probability. So we're calculating the probability of an event A on some certain conditions. Okay, so if you see the definition of conditional probability is we are having a random experiment repeating n number of times and the sample space contains A and B events and event A occurs n of A times and event B occurs n of B times and the joint event of A and B occurs n of AB times, meaning that the both A and B occurs at n of AB times, then the conditional probability of event A given event B is equal to the, how we have to write the event A given event B means, so P of A is a conditional probability of event A. So probability of event A given event B. So this normally will read it as given, meaning that we are calculating the probability of A on condition B such that B has already occurred. B has already occurred. In the B, we are calculating the probability of A. That is the meaning of probability, conditional probability of event A given event B. Okay. Now we are not calculating in the sample space. Probability of A, normally whenever I will write P of A, the difference between P of A and P of A given B is P of A means we are calculating the probability of A in the sample space. There, whenever you write the relative frequency definition, P of A is limit n tends to infinity, n of A divided by n, where n of A is the number of times the A, that means if you see the classical definition, possible outcomes divided by the total outcomes. So n of A is the number of times A and total is n. So here total is the number of experiment, the sample space. Total sample space means total number of outcomes, how many times we perform the experiment. That we calculate the P of A. P of A given B means calculating the probability of A in the, meaning that already the event B is occurred. In the B, we are calculating the A. At that time, instead of taking the here n sample space, now that sample space becomes here B whenever we are calculating P of A given B. So according to the relative frequency, we'll write the definition as P of A given B is equal to limit n tends to infinity, the number of times both occurs, n of AB divided by n of B. So in the A, so in the B we are calculating A. So already B occurred. In that one we are calculating A. So both we have to take the joint occurrence of both A and B events divided by n of B. So now we'll see limit n tends to infinity, n of AB. So I'm multiplying, so dividing both with n. Okay. Now if you write separately, limit n tends to infinity, n of AB by n divided by limit n tends to infinity. Separately I'm writing n of B by n of n. What will it? According to the relative frequency definition, n of AB by n is nothing but the joint probability. That is P of A intersection B divided by, what is this one? N of B by n, meaning that the number of times B. So that is the P of B. So probability of A given B can be written as P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So this is the formula for the conditional probability of A given B. Similarly, we can write P of B given A, that is the probability of event B given A, can be written as P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Okay, so the joint probability can be written as here. From here, P of A intersection B can be written as P of A given B into P of B. Here we can write P of A intersection B is equal to P of B given A into P of A. Both formulas are same. A intersection B, A given B into P of B, P of B given A into P of A. Okay. So both formulas can be used for the joint probability. That is the definitions of joint probability. That is the formulas of joint probability using the conditional probabilities. Okay. So this is called the conditional probability. It is the we are calculating the probability of an event A given, that is the already B, the event A occurring on the condition that the probability of event B is already known, already occurred. Okay, that's why here the sample space we took it as n of B instead of n. Okay, this is about the conditional probability. Thank you.